Shredded chicken is another meal prep that comes in handy on days we need a quick meal. I like doing my shredded chicken with the whole chicken so I can get the different taste of the different parts. You are free to use any chicken parts you have, or even use beef or turkey. Feel free to also use your favorite spices or whatever spices you have available. But if you want my recipe, it's in the caption. And remember, any ingredient you don't have can be substituted with something else you have. It will still be delicious, so don't stress yourself. Shredded chicken can be used with bread to make chicken sandwich. It can be rolled with the sliced bell peppers we prepped and cabbage into the shawarma bread we made. You can mix it with the stew mix we prepped for a quick sauce, or mixed it with the diced vegetables we prepped for spaghetti or rice. You see how all those preps are combining already? You can also mix it with other vegetables for a quick salad. So many things you can do with your shredded chicken. Do you use shredded chicken regularly in your cooking? Give me other ideas you use it with so that we can learn from each other. And yes, we'll be rounding up meal prep tomorrow. Do not miss tomorrow's video. It's the grand finale of everything.